Hello there. This is a truck, truck, which is I'm going to spend other 3 days. Actually, we are parked at Tasu due to strike in Gilgit and Chalas. I don't know. There is some sectarian problems going on, so we actually don't know what to do, what not to do. We just parked here for a while, and then we will see what the best we can do. And we're going to park somewhere safe. So this is our truck. This is a Hino J08C 24 valve engine in it, and it has a 6-cylinder, I think. Yes. That's local name Ranger. That's a Hino. That's a very solid body. That's a Safeguard, which is of course of the very solid sort of material, iron, I think. That's truck. It has wheel which is well dirty because we have done around about 200 miles through off-roading sort of. That was a lot of dirt track. The Cracker highway is totally damaged and it's not really very safe to drive through, but we just have to drive it because we are on the road. So this is truck, a 10-wheeler usually, which is, it has loaded with wheat, and it's how much ton? It's 30 ton of weight on it. So this is it really. As you can see in the way over there, it's fully loaded. Maybe you can see it now. There is another truck right behind us. That's a Hino as well, in the same model. So yeah, this is it. We are parked at Dasu Street. This is a passageway, so there's locals also in here. Actually, you see this local hotel, but we're also in. I think that's a hotel, sort of, yeah, where you can manage. That's mountains, and we are parked here on the road. And that's a Cracker highway. Now I will show you inside of the truck. Let me get in. I'm going to open the door, which is locked. But there we go. I'll put my coffee mug here to get in. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh damn, it's well dirty. Here we go. Now I'm in the truck, okay? Now I'll show you a bit about the truck, the inside of the truck, how this cabin is actually. Okay,